Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SEO settings in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find your SEO tools and how to configure them so search engines can better understand and rank your website. Let's get started. First, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, where all of your tools and settings are organized in the left-hand menu. On the left side, look for the Marketing section. Wix places all of its growth and promotion tools here, including your SEO settings. Click on Marketing to expand the menu. Inside the Marketing section, select SEO and GEO. This is where you manage how your website appears in search engines and how your content is targeted to different audiences and locations. Even if you don't run a local business, this section is still important because it controls how search engines read and display your pages in search results. Next, click on Start Setup. This launches Wix's guided SEO setup process, which is designed to make optimization simple even for beginners. As you move through the setup, Wix will ask you for information about your website. Take your time during this process because the more clearly you define your site, the easier it becomes for search engines like Google to connect your content with the right visitors. One of the most important steps is setting your page titles and descriptions. Write them in clear and natural language. Include your main keyword early in the title and keep it short, readable, and relevant to the page content. For the page description, summarize what the page offers in 1 or 2 concise sentences. Use a friendly and action-oriented tone. Think of it as a short introduction that encourages people to click on your website in search results. You should also pay attention to your headings. Make sure every page has a clear H1 heading that matches the topic of the page. This helps search engines better understand your content structure. If Wix asks for image settings, add meaningful alt text to your images. Describe what the image shows and how it relates to the content on the page. This improves accessibility and can also help with image search rankings. You may also see settings related to indexing and visibility. In most cases, you should keep indexing enabled so search engines can find and display your site. The only time you may want to disable indexing is when working on a private draft or unfinished page. Wix might also ask you to confirm your business category, target regions, or location details. Make sure this information is accurate so your content reaches the right audience. As you continue, Wix automatically saves your progress and usually provides a checklist to track completed steps. This makes it easy to pause and continue later if needed. And that's it. From your Wix dashboard, simply go to Marketing, open SEO and GEO, and follow the setup process to improve how your website appears in search results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Wix tutorials and website tips. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video.